Imagine this. You're a fish, just vibing underwater, surrounded by, well, water. Everywhere. All the time. But here's the weird question. Do you actually drink it? Like, do fish have tiny little water bottles tucked under their fins? Do they slurp, like we do? Or do they just absorb it like sponges? This is one of those questions that sounds dumb at first, until you realize, wait, how do fish drink water? Today, let's dive in. Okay, so humans, we drink water through our mouths. It goes down the hatch, hydrates the body, yada yada, simple. But for fish, living in water, the situation is way stranger. Some fish drink water, some fish don't. Some literally can't afford to drink it. It all depends on whether they're hanging out in the ocean or in a freshwater pond. And trust me, the difference is wild. Let's start with freshwater fish. Think goldfish, guppies, or that one betta fish you forgot to feed when you were 12. Freshwater fish actually don't drink water, at least not in the way we think about it. Why? Because of osmosis. And no, not the high school biology nightmare kind. Osmosis is basically nature's way of balancing stuff out. Inside a freshwater fish, the salt levels in its body are higher than the surrounding water. So water just sneaks in through their skin and gills. It's like having free refills 24/7 without lifting a finger. So yeah, freshwater fish are basically hydrated against their will. Now, saltwater fish? Completely different story. These guys are living in a soup of salty chaos, where the water outside has more salt than inside their bodies. If they just sat around waiting for osmosis to help, they'd shrivel up like raisins in the sun. So what do? They literally gulp seawater. Yep, fish in the ocean are walking, well, swimming, Brita filters. They slurp salty water through their mouths, then their gills and kidneys do the heavy lifting, spitting out the salt and keeping the fresh water. It's like having a built-in desalination plant. Honestly, kind of genius. And of course, nature being nature, there are some weirdos, like salmon. These fish live double lives. Freshwater rivers when they're young, salty oceans when they're older. So their bodies have to completely switch plumbing systems depending on where they are. Imagine moving houses and suddenly your stomach has to rewire itself so you don't dehydrate. Salmon are basically the superheroes of hydration. So, let's recap. Freshwater fish? They don't really drink. Water just barges into their bodies uninvited. Saltwater fish? They drink constantly, then flex on us with their salt-filtering gills. Salmon? They're overachievers, mastering both lifestyles like it's no big deal. The next time someone asks you, do fish drink water? You can confidently say, yes, no, sometimes, depends, and watch their brain melt. So yeah, fish have hydration hacks that make humans look boring.